Once again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel. Many of my friends like me today, many comments on my YouTube channel and asking me how to complete it to be a depth scuba diver. So I will give you big and nice strategy, and you will be easily to complete it to be this game meters. And I hope you will be enjoy my video because many of people sometimes not to be understand, but I will be explain to you how to be completed to be this game meters depth levels. So many of games available like the oxygen levels and sometimes using options levels, and some application games using meters depths. So I will be explaining you first of all this game where we like the depth. Okay, and please don't skip this video, and I hope you will be completely watching my video and don't skip now. So let's start this video. Guys, I will download this game and scuba diver game. Okay, okay guys, be like this game loading now, and I will be explaining how to be completed to be this game meter depth. When you will be coming here and to be completely, I will be explaining how to be completed to be this game meters depth meters. Okay, so people sometime asking me where is this depth meters. So today I will be tell you where be this meters depth. Okay guys, listen me. You see like the many of coins I will be earn, and how to earn first of all many of coins because depend on this you. When you will be starting this game, please you will be completed to be purchasing bag size. I will show you like the bag size. I will be purchasing 24. This time I will be purchasing like the 24 bag size, so you will be maximum purchasing like the bag size maximum 50 to 60. And I'm sorry if you not to be understand, some of people asking me your English not to be good, but I will be try to be explain you how to be completed to be this meters depth. But who like be some of people like be understand my language, but I will be completely explaining you how to be complete to be this game meters depth. So guys, listen me, you checking on this game, I'm the loss of like the earn coins. So like the valuable secured like the down options available option x3 ads watch video. So please when you will be see this ads x3 ads video options, so you will be click on x a3 ads video option because this many like be much benefit, because if you watching one of this video, so you will be triple coins or no, and only watching ads maximum to be like 3 to 30 to 5 or 11 seconds ads, and you will be triple earns coin. So many of people sometimes not to be understand, but I will be explain you how to be complete to be this meter that, because first of all this strategy to be purchasing back size, and you will be again starting this game and maximum like be 50 to 60 like the meters you will be purchasing the meters. So you checking now, I will be showing this ad. So I will be again starting now, just only I will be show you how to complete it now this game. Sometimes many people want to be understand, and please last talking I will be tell to you oxygen levels, this mean depth meters. These options mean like the meters depth everything this game. Okay, so you don't to be worry about this game, and some of people not to be understand, and he don't like we see options depth meter, but I will be explain you this is the right options. Oxygen levels mean this meters. Okay, so I hope you will be understand now. So what is this like the meaning? This time I have like 12,463 coins, and I will be purchasing like the oxygen level. You will be checking oxygen level, this mean meters and depth. So I hope you will be enjoy my video, and please I tell you already to be explained to you to first of all bag size you will be purchasing, then you before also if show option x3 air, so then you will be watching now. And thank you for you watching my video.